In today's video, we're going to look at the cash savings calculator. This is a pretty straightforward model, really comparing the impacts of inflation to our cash savings when we put them into checking accounts, savings accounts, money market accounts, CDs, things of that nature that are producing a 0 or low 1, 2, 3, sometimes 4 or 5% annual percentage yield, known as APY, comparing that with the long-term benefits of saving in something like Bitcoin and modeling the results using Bitcoin's compound annual growth rate. So first and foremost, you're just going to key in the total cash position value. I'm going to go ahead and say I've got $10,000. And I'm going to put that into a CD that's going to pay me 3.5%. I'm going to go ahead and say that I think inflation is, let's go ahead and take a look here. We've got a link out to Truflation, which is a blockchain-based inflation gauge that really measures the price changes of products in real time. You can see here, going back to January 2020, inflation is actually showing 26, almost 27%. And so if we do that math, even 26 divided by the last 5 years, that gets us 5.2% inflation. So let's go ahead and just say 5% for inflation, and this is going to be a three-year term. Then we're going to go ahead and set the Bitcoin CAGR. I'm going to go ahead and be conservative and say Saylor's bear case at 21%. And then what we see is the results, right? So the annual yield in nominal value, meaning the actual dollars paid to me, in the TradFi scenario at my 3.5%, I'm getting paid $350 per year because my nominal APY, meaning the percentage that they pay me against my $10,000, is 3.5% each year. But when I factor in 5% for inflation, my real APY is actually, I'm losing 1.5% every single year. So my actual real yield is unfortunately negative in this scenario. Whereas if we go over to Bitcoin using a 21% compound growth annual return rate, you can see my annual yield is significantly higher, not to mention my nominal APY is significantly higher. It's even higher than the 21% that I've set. And the reason why is because this return is compounding on the prior year's returns. So in this 3-year period, I've actually got growth on top of growth, whereas in my traditional product, I'm getting paid the same nominal amount against the underlying value every single year. There is no compounding taking place. So pretty straightforward, but I encourage you to model different scenarios if you're more of a Bitcoin bull and see things this way, or if you're more of a Bitcoin bear and see things this way. Obviously, none of this is meant to be financial advice. This is all educational, hypothetical, user input driven. But hope you had fun, and we'll see you on the next one.